All right, so today we're talking about learning styles. Your bell work word of the day is chakra, each of the centers of spiritual power in the human body. And your agenda, or how, actually has one of your answers in it: virtual reality and sports. So think about what learning styles or how, the agenda, VR, three learning styles, multiple intelligences, chakras, ha and tha, practicing the three styles, a learning styles quiz. We will not do the baseline concussion test. And our why is because before we learn about, our different skills and talents and values and beliefs, how we learn is something important to know. So again, it's a part of self-concept, understanding our learning style. Just finish, take the time to learn. Patience, commitment, and discipline. If you have no self-concept, people to know their style and then perfect their style. So three learning styles: audio, auditory, visual, which is your answer, visual, or kinesthetic, tactile. You can see here multiple intelligences, left brain versus right brain. What are the three parts of the brain? They're cortex, limbic system, and brain stem. How do we heal our chakras? One of these things is an answer, right? Meditation, affirmations, massage, music, and aromatherapy. You have ha and tha, or left and right. The three learning styles again, back in an overview: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Auditory, you can listen to me say some numbers. Say they were 385. Can you remember them? What about if you just see them? 752, 189. And then what about if you actually write them down, flip it over, and see if you can write it down again? 954, 305. And then try all three. Hear it, see it, write it down, flip it over. 867, 5309. Now, personal characteristics: positive and negative traits, right? Honest versus dishonest, accountable versus excuse maker, responsible versus irresponsible, integrity versus corrupt, loyal versus disloyal. You can see the accountability continuum there. Respect versus fear. Learning preferences: verbal, math, spatial, kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, and naturalistic, and they all match different electives you can possibly take. Pair card questions: will VR help you? What classes would it help the most? And then I want you to go on and do this quiz, which will be linked in Google Classroom. You can update your chart afterwards. All right, hope you guys have a great day.